Exercise 9.2, question number 16. How many times a wheel of radius 28 centimeter must rotate to go 352 meters? So here the distance to be covered by the wheel is given to us as 352 meters. Let's convert it into the centimeter. So it will be 35200 centimeter. Now the radius of the wheel is given to us as 28 centimeter. Now we know that the distance covered in one rotation, so distance covered in one rotation will be equals to the circumference of the wheel as it will rotate once. So the distance covered will be in one rotation equals to circumference. Now circumference is equals to 2 pi r. So to find out number of times the wheel will rotate, we have to divide total distance by distance covered in one rotation, that is circumference. So very simple it is that total distance given to us is 35200 and circumference here will be 2 into pi. The value of pi will be 22 by 7. 22 here and 7 will keep in the numerator and r radius is 28. So now we can find the answer by cancellation here. 7 4s are 28. We can cancel this with 11. 11 2s are 11 3s are 33. 2 carry over. 11 2s are 22. 2 zeros. 4 ones are 4. 4 eights are 32. 2 zeros here. So what do we have is 800 by 2 twos are 4. We can cancel it with 4. So 4 twos are 8 and 2 zeros. So it gives us 200 rotations. So in 200 rotations, the wheel can cover 352 meters.